Welcome guys, welcome. How's it going? Hope everyone's good. Let's get this started, alright? Like I say, let's see who's here. Let me share my screen now. Right, we're back for another stream, guys. Welcome. All-time highs all day today. Not too much to talk about, but let's see if we can catch something. Let's see if we can catch something in today's stream. Good morning, guys. Natalie, welcome. Darren, Brian, welcome. Good to see everybody tuning in again. Let's refresh this chart. Right, we've got the fresh chart up anyway. Aaron, hope you had a successful week. Yeah, nice one. Week's been decent. I took an entry yesterday. I took an entry yesterday. I took an entry yesterday on gold. To pass a 100k, alpha that I've had. Like I say, I only traded like 4 days on it and I passed it. So, yeah. But other than that, like I say, gold's been at all-time highs. I've been trading at all-time highs for the full day, really. So don't really expect much just yet. But yeah, I took longs on gold here. Let's get it up. I took longs on gold here. Had my stops on the lows. Yeah, and I got that nice push up. It like I say, it wasn't an entry I normally enter on because it was the 5 minute, but it was a 100k alpha account that I just wanted to get out of the way. I wasn't bothered what happened to it because I trade Top Step and I've got many accounts with Top Step and I get payouts regularly with Top Step. It was like if I fail, if I pass it, I only needed like I was 5% in profit. I needed 3%, so I just went for it and I passed it. That one push. KJ, how's it going, mate? Bowden, how are you? I'm good, thanks, man. I'm good. I'm gonna see if we can catch something on gold today. Be interested in see if we can. Like I say, guys, if you've just joined, drop a comment. Drop a comment if you've just joined. Like I say, like as well. Like and subscribe if you've not already. I will try my best to try and catch something on gold today, but when you're trading at these highs, it's a bit hard work. Yeah, okay, mate. Good stuff. But we can look over some other pairs as well. Let's see what Naz is saying really quickly. Yeah, Naz is in better shape than gold. You've got a decent range on Naz here. I can see that as clear as anything, that range on Naz. Got a trade yesterday on my demo, nice. How did it go? Win, loss, break even. Cheers for the likes as well, guys. I appreciate everyone who's liking, tuning in today. Yeah, but Naz is looking a lot cleaner than gold right now. £29 win, nice one, KJ. Good stuff. Great work. Yeah, we've had some great results in the community recently. Whether that's people passing accounts, getting funded, taking payouts, trading personal, which is good to see. Does Naz follow the same strategy? Yeah, exactly the same, guys. I personally don't trade Naz, but you see exactly the same concepts on Naz. Like I know a few of the members today caught this long on Naz here after this closure, and they got a decent push. Look at that, you got like 32 ticks there in 2 15-minute candles. That's a textbook entry for us, and that is basically the same concepts that we trade. Right here. And then I know a few took the sells down as well. I know Jelly took this short here, which is a beautiful short. If it's this one, I think it was this entry, and then he took another 15 entry after it here. Then he took this 15 entry here. So you got 2 entries on the way down, and these are both textbook entries. Perfect to the plan. But yeah, that they were nice trades, and look at that. You created a double bottom. Actually, if you just come out of it now, we're coming to take now. Look, you've got a double bottom here that got created. These lows are very likely to get taken now, whether it's on this candle or in the next hour or two. Like, these lows should get taken today. Like I say, if you've got any other questions, guys, let me know. Good question, Duncan. But yeah, it does follow the same sort of strategy. I thought I'd just jump on. I'm doing a member Zoom call. I'm doing a member Zoom call in maybe an hour. So I just thought I'd jump on here for an hour. Even though we're at all-time highs, it's good to come on, answer some questions. Yeah, answer some questions. And if anyone's got any other pairs they want me to look at, just let me know. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Into all-time highs, and whenever you see gold push into all-time highs, and you don't know what price. Nice. We've got a new video going out soon. That'd be nice. But yeah, like I say, gold's been in a waiting game all day. Like I say, you've got you probably had just one long entry there if you did manage to catch it. I know Ollie in the community caught this. If you're there, man, nice work. That's what you want. You had targets to trade into here. As soon as you come into all-time highs, you want to be managing your risk. You've got like a decent... How many ticks have you got there? You got like 35 ticks there, which is perfect for the day. Especially when you're at all-time highs on gold. You want to be... You don't want to be looking now for entries. You want to be waiting for a pullback to then take it long. Like, act like professionals. Don't be looking to get in where most retail traders are looking to enter. No way. Wait for a pullback and then the push higher. Bam, bam. Yo, Corner, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. How are you? Hope you're good. But yeah, that is the thing now with gold where we are, where we're trading. On the 30, where we are right now, you can see that we've taken this all-time high, just like we did when we pushed up this morning, pre-London. We had a nice push up. What did we do when we pushed up? What did we do? We pulled back before pushing higher. What are we going to do? What do we need to wait for now? Pull back before the push higher. So yeah, like I say, gold right now is in a bit of a area that you don't really want to be doing much. If you caught some longs here, which I know a few did, if you caught some longs here into these highs, well, that's just your piece for the day. There's no need to be chasing the market where it is now. You know, if you caught 30 to 40 ticks after that little pullback, that's you done. But for those who are still trading, don't be looking to enter here. Like, wait for the pullback, then wait for the continuation in either direction. I'm good, thanks. Nice one. Good to hear. Very, very good to hear. Right, let's have a look at these questions, guys. Like I say, guys, if you've got any questions, just drop one in. Drop one in the comments. I'll get back to you. What if it keeps going up and doesn't pull back anymore? Well, it's very unlikely because, like I say, gold won't just continue to push up like so. Even if it does pull back, like any pullback like this, even if it's just a little pullback to take some lows like so, then that's fine because you've got a range to buy above then. You just need a range to buy above. You need structure to form. For example, like where we are now, you don't need a huge pullback. If you're going to keep riding the trend to the upside, gold might not need to pull back that much. All you need is a little pullback to continue higher. And when it pulls back, you'll find that range to push higher. But yeah, I understand what you mean. It's just waiting, really, guys. It's just waiting for that pullback to occur. It doesn't have to happen now. It can happen in an hour. It can happen in 2. Gold could just continue pushing higher without really pulling back, but it is going to pull back a little bit before pushing higher at some point. Like Elon's rocket, yeah. That's right, man. Trump meeting today at 1 o'clock. Yeah, I know he's having a meeting about the war, isn't he? That could definitely move the market. I would expect it to do something at least. Anything regarding Trump nowadays just ruins the market. But it's not a bad thing. Like I say, we need a pullback. So if it does sharply pull back, then that's great because that will give us targets to trade into. Right now, there's nothing. Because like if you look to go long here, if you're looking to go long here, for example, where do you long into? There's literally no targets. So the best thing to do is wait for a little pullback. Once you get the pullback, if you close back above, then yeah, you've got longs into them new created highs. And then obviously you've got all your short targets because gold's not at all-time lows. You've got many targets that's been created on the way up. Yeah, me too, to be honest with you, Cash. I hope that at 2 o'clock with this meeting, depending on what happens and what's said, I hope that it has a nice pullback because that'll be great for the week. Because even if it does pull back, let's say this is just a 15-minute time frame, but let's say we pull back like this, then we've got that big push higher. You've got like 300 ticks then to long, literally for the rest of the week. Right now, it's just a waiting game until that happens. I know a few have been trading. Like there was a little half risk entry here. If you did take it, nice work. You've got like 40 ticks there. But in terms of have we got much else to trade after that? No, we haven't. We ain't got much else to trade into, unfortunately. How's everyone's day been today? Let me know how your day's been, guys. Have you taken many trades? Let me know. I'm tradeless today, but we took a decent win yesterday, so all is good to pass another challenge, which is nice. So yeah, the week has actually been great. I took this entry here. I took a decent little entry here. Nice little push higher. Actually pushed like 87 ticks in total, which is great. But like I say, that even there, look, you got 87 ticks there. That's enough for the week. Never mind, like one day. This trade is enough for the week. If this is the only trade that sets up, that's absolutely fine. Like I say, it'd be great. It'd be great to catch something else, but I'm not. Look at the difference as well, right? What's the difference from entering where we did yesterday? Well, look what we've got. What have we got above? We've got targets. Look, targets. You know, we've got clear areas to long into. What have we not got now? Now we're at all-time highs. What have we not got? We've not got we've not got targets. Like if we had a high here, then perfect. I'd be looking for longs, say back above here, because we've got areas to long into. But because we haven't got that, we can't long yet. I personally need to wait for a pullback, whether that's like here, let it create structure, and then you've got buys and sells above and below your range again. But until that's formed, we can't do anything. And remember, you've got Trump speaking too. So try and stay out around that time, if you can. Oh, nice. Nothing for me yet, corner. Nothing for me too. Need 950 to pass the challenge. Cash, if you don't trade NAS, just stay away from it. Like I say, you've already made like 2.1k trading gold. There's no need to look at NAS in like the nicest way possible. NAS is, you need, like I say, I'd smash gold. Know what you want to do on gold first. Understand everything to do with gold, then look at potentially NAS. Because NAS can be a little bit hard work, especially if you don't know how it moves. You need to be able to hold it through a bit of chop for sure. But NAS, you get some beautiful moves on NAS when you get it right. Let's have a look at BTC. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Has it pushed up at all? Nope. Sell off today. How much percent is it down? It's not even, it's like 1.5% down. It's absolutely nothing. Let's have a look at XRP. Nothing on XRP. Probably not going to see much on crypto now for a little while. when you don't hear much, like what you need to understand with crypto as well, like when you don't hear much, that is the right time to be. Well, this is what I think. This is not advice or anything. This is what I do. When you're not hearing much about it, for example, in the news or from your friends or from relatives, that's the right time to get loading up. That's what I do anyway. It's not for you to do, but when you don't hear much about it, that's when the big boys are quietly stacking. And then when you hear like your best friend's dad start talking about it, sell. Have to wait patiently. That's it, Cash, mate. Just gotta wait for a pullback and a range. Like, look at gold. Go on to the 30-minute here. Just a quick tip. If we look on the 30-minute time frame right now, like I say, guys, drop a like as well if you've just joined. Let's smash 15 likes. If you've just joined the stream, let's smash it. Look at what gold does every time it's at all-time highs, or every time it's had a nice push. Look, range, push, range, push. And our ranges in the community, they're never as big as this. I'm just saying, like, just for examples. Look, big push, what does it do? Ranges, nice push. What does it do? Ranges, push down. Like, look at this. Even before it hit all-time highs, what did it do? It ranged. So if we understand that every time gold is going to range again, and we understand that it's always going to create a new range, why would we even look to attempt to get involved here? If I understand that gold's very likely to range like this and pull back, why would I even attempt to get in here? There's zero chance I'm going to do that. I'm going to wait for this. Do you know? Cheers for the lights, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Nice one. Smashing the likes, guys. But yeah, I thought I'd just come on. I've got, like I say, we're doing it for the members in the community who are here. We're going to be doing a members Zoom call at some point today. Maybe after the Trump news, maybe. If it's at 2 o'clock, maybe we'll jump on at about 2:30. Just so that's out the way. Because if we jump on early, you could potentially chop before the move. And you don't want to just chop, sit there for an hour or 2 hours, and then the move happens after you come off. I'd rather it happen and then go on. But like we're seeing now, look at what gold's doing. It's taking these highs, potentially pull back before continuing higher. Fancy seeing you here for the New York session. How's it going? Proximity, welcome, bro. Glory, glory, Man United. Nice. Good stuff. Are you a Man United fan? Are you a Man United fan or something? I'm guessing so. Yeah, New York session's our session. That's where I'm live every day as well. If you're new to the stream, like I said, drop a follow. Drop a subscribe. I go live every day. Even now we're at all-time highs, there's not much to do. I'll still come on for 45 minutes, an hour, just to answer some questions if anybody's got any. Stay active. Yeah, haha. Where are you from, mate? Proximity, where are you from, bro? Yeah, price just in one direction today. Hard to trade, even for breakouts. I want to see some structure. 100% Sydney, Australia. Nice. Yeah, it's late, bro. Yeah, it's late, man. On that grind. Good stuff. That's the thing as well. That's what I'm trying to say. Right now, it's impossible to look for entries to our plan. Our plan, yeah, we like this volume that we're seeing. That's perfect. But for me, I can't trade if I've got nothing to trade into. Like, I have to have targets to trade into. Like, if I were looking for sells, for example, I've got lows to trade into. Plenty of them. But in terms of longs, is there anything? No. Look to the left, there's nothing. So the only way that I can look for entries is if price can pull back, create them highs to then trade into. Or if we break below, trade into the lows. Just want to see how New York reacts to 2 all-time high break from Asia/London. Yeah, nice. Me too. I'm gonna head off in 5 minutes though, guys. I just thought I'd jump on if anyone's got any questions. No point in staying here. Watching this. Come and join the community. Proximity official. Nice. Cheers for the shout out, Natalie. But yeah, I'm gonna head off in a minute. Couple of minutes. If anyone's got any questions before I go, just drop it in the comments, in the chat, and I'll answer it before we go. Like I say, community members, I'll see you in the community. But anybody on YouTube, I'll probably be on tomorrow for a couple of hours when the market is in better shape. I don't just want to sit here when we're probably going to be waiting for another hour before an entry. That's not what I don't say stare at the charts, just wait. If you stare at the charts, you start looking for entries that you shouldn't be looking for. You enter the market when you shouldn't be entering. It's just not worth it. So yeah, nice pullback before continuation higher. That's on the hourly, by the way. You could see it on the 15 too. You could see a pullback and then the push higher. Cheers to the lights. Cheers for everyone for tuning in as well. Like I said, I've only been live for patience, 100%, Natalie. 100%. You've got to stay patient in these times. But I appreciate everyone for tuning in. Like I say, I wanted to just jump on for half an hour. Go to the markets when it's on sale, definitely. Like I said, I don't want to be... Who's buying here? Retail traders are buying up here. You know, retail traders are buying up here because they think gold's bullish and it's going to continue higher. Yeah, gold could continue higher, but a lot of the time it'll pull back, take them out before continuing higher. So let's wait for that. Right, guys, but yeah, thanks for everyone for tuning in. Good to see that people are still tuning in when Goal's not doing much and still wanting that value. So yeah, nice. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try and jump on for an hour and a half tomorrow, depending on where the markets are. If we're at all-time highs again, I'll just jump on for an hour again. If not, and we've got some nice targets at either side, I'll stick on for an hour and a half, 2 hours like normal, okay? But yeah, it's a bit of a quiet one today. Stay patient. Yeah, guys, stay patient. Proximity, it depends. If you're from Australia, you can't use it if you're from Australia, mate. I've got drop me a message on Telegram, mate. I've got another you can use. Ear itchy. Right, guys. But yeah, community members, I'll see you in the Discord. Community members, I'll see you in the Discord, and anybody who's just on YouTube watching, I'll see you tomorrow when we've got some good targets, okay? In a bit, guys. See you